Half the year's gone, and let me guess, you're still struggling to grow on platforms like Twitch, YouTube gaming, and Facebook gaming, but don't worry about it. I got you covered. I'm going to give you one awesome tip and one awesome strategy that you should do right now that's going to give you the opportunity for huge improvements to your stream and also opportunities for huge accelerated growth at the end of this year and the start of next year. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it right after this. Look, I'm always going to be an advocate for making great first impressions, and one of the best ways to make a great first impression is using OWN's overlays to create a visual piece of eye candy that stimulates your audience with how great your stream looks. OWN has tons of different overlays and packages that you can pick and choose from to make sure you find the correct one for you and your style. You want to save even more money? Make sure you click through the links down below in the video description to save even more, and you get to help support my channel, so thank you very much. Now, back to the video. What is up, all you awesome streamers? Wild for Games here to make sure your content and live streams become bigger and better. Generally, at the end of the year, I like to think of a tip and strategy that's going to either improve your stream or give you the opportunity for more growth. And guess what? I thought of a tip that does both. I need you to listen to me very, very closely. I need you to start saving money right now. The reason I need you to start saving money is because if you want to make improvements to your stream, there are a lot of cool products coming out at the end of 2020 or at the beginning of 2021. If you want to make some visual improvements to your stream, companies like Sony and Canon are coming out with some really awesome cameras right now to really push the boundaries of visual qualities that you could put on your content and streams. Perhaps you want to up the game on your audio quality on your streamer content. Guess what? There are a ton of manufacturers of microphones out there that are releasing brand new microphones at the end of 2020 and the start of 2021. So, hey, may want to start saving for that. But it goes so much deeper. You want to improve the quality of your PC? Hey, there's brand new graphics cards that just got announced from NVIDIA. There's also new processors coming out and new RAM and also new SATAs and hard drives. There's so many cool things coming out at the end of the year and the start of 2021. I mean, no joke, there's so many cool things coming out. I don't even have time to get into it. There's things like brand new lighting for illumination for streamers that are really cool that I've already started working with from other companies, as well as some really cool background accent lights that are perfect for streamers and content creators. And guess what? There's some even new audio interface decks that are coming out at a better price point that everybody's just gonna love. There's a lot of cool things, which is why I want you to save money right now. Now you're probably thinking, no duh, Wild. Getting new products will obviously improve the quality of my stream, but how does saving money give me the opportunity for more growth at the end of the year or the start of next year? Glad you asked. You see, two of the newest products that are coming out at the end of this year, or maybe one of them might come out at the beginning of next year, is the new consoles coming out from Xbox and PlayStation. And these are right in the wheelhouse of Twitch. If you're a console streamer out there or you like streaming console games, there's going to be a huge opportunity for discoverability in a channel that streams from any one of these consoles that's streaming a brand new launch title or any game that's exclusive to these consoles, because it makes easy sense that people want to check out what's cool about the new system. Is it worth the money? Is the game even good for a launch title? Should I buy it? There are so many questions that you're going to get flooded with, and people just generally coming in to check out if it's even cool or not. It's almost like when VR first launched on Twitch, there was so many people flooding into those channels to check it out to see what it is. Now, this doesn't mean that it has longevity, because obviously certain things can collapse and certain games won't do as good as others, but you will get a huge influx of numbers. And if you make improvements to your stream, if you put out a good first impression, you have the opportunity to grab new audience members, grab new viewers, grab new regulars, and perhaps even get some subscribers out of it. And this is going to be a super powerful tool. And this is why it leads back into you need to start saving money, because these consoles aren't going to be cheap. The Xbox is coming in at $299 and $499 USD. The PlayStation 5 is coming in at $399 and $499 USD. So if you think you're the type of person that's already gonna get that console, when you get it, start streaming that stuff right away. But I want you to save up money because it's gonna be expensive for the investment of this console. Likewise, games are being teased now around 70 USD, which means even more money you gotta put down if you wanna start streaming that content. So again, I can't beat this into your mind enough. Start saving right now. I'm telling you, this is an opportunity for huge explosive growth. Yeah, I know it takes money to buy a console in game. And yeah, you need to have some things already put in front of you. You need to have good overlays, alerts. You need to make sure you have a good presentation. You have to make sure you're engaging. You have to make sure you have a stream that's worth watching. Otherwise, yeah, this isn't going to work. But for some of you out there, oh my gosh, I bet you this will get you huge opportunities for growth. Now, if you're wondering what console I'm gonna go with, I love them all. I'm an equal opportunist when it comes to consoles. I'm gonna get the new PS5 and I'm gonna get the new Xbox. I love my console games and I love sitting on a couch and playing them. Now you're probably wondering, wow, how do I start earning some more money on platforms like Twitch? Boom, got you covered. I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that shows you some awesome strategies to get more revenue and income on your Twitch streams. I really recommend checking that video out so that way you can start earning and saving more money right away. And until next time, my name's Wild for Games, making your content and live streams bigger and better. And as always, take care and of course, peace.